Okay, guys, any of you working on the Dr. Stifler SEC exciter and you're working with this S-gate here, I found something really neat that works with it today. This is a decorator flicker flame, and I was looking for another one of these little neons that we use to test the voltage with. When you get it close, it lights up. And I found this, and talk about a cool thing. This is a little plasma sphere, and see the plasma going off on this thing? It's really, really cool. And it is basically like it's a neon. It makes like a flicker flame when it's plugged into the wall, but I'm running this off this SEC exciter here. By the way, the charger thing worked real great. I'm going to be using 2 batteries on the back end, 1 battery on the front end. It is the same one I showed yesterday, only I'm running it with the fluorescent today. With 1 wire going into this S-gate here. And I don't have this configured exactly like the doctor has it, but it works pretty good the way I've got it. And this is what I really liked, was this plasma sphere. And I thought this was the coolest thing. And if you get a little fluorescent going here off the gate, you just lay it down here. It just stays on. And I've got my earth ground here, which is just this cord that goes over there into the wire, which goes to a stake in the ground. And if you put the fluorescent near the plasma tube and then connect it to ground, it gets even better. And I just thought this was the coolest thing. So anyway, I recommend go down to the hardware store, wherever they sell these little flicker flames. It's made by Westinghouse. It's only 3 watts. And man, does that work really cool on this thing. And like I say, it's like a plasma sphere. No heat or anything. It's just like one of those plasma spheres. I was using it just on the gate here, and then I just took the regular bulb out of the nightlight and just replaced that bulb. It's the same fitting on the bottom with that flicker flame. But this worked real cool. My little Joule Thief over there is what shows me if this is running or not. And that's been real handy to have something like that you could tell if it's on or not. Because this will go on. Yeah, it lights on when the thing starts up. Let me turn it off. I'll show you here. Here it's off. There it's on, and gives me a way to see where the energy's coming from too. But yeah, this flicker flame thing here, this was a cool thing, and I really enjoyed that, playing with this plasma sphere. If you enjoy this kind of stuff, I sure do. It was real neat. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's a good thing to have hooked up to the whole system. And it was dark tonight. I bet it's going to look really good. I'll plug it in tonight when it gets dark. We'll take a look at it tonight. Anyway, that's the latest of my S-gate. This is just copper pipe. You get it down at the hardware store at Lowe's or Home Depot. And then I've got some plastic pieces that insulate the pipes. And it does work quite well. And like I said, I was trying to find another one of these neons. I had some trouble finding one of these things. And this is what you test the S-gate with to see if you've got charge on it in different places. It's like a capacitor. And then I found that thing. You see it just went off? There it goes back on again. Very cool. Very, very cool. A lot of fun, this project. I recommend whoever's interested in electronics, take some time and build one of these. You won't regret it. Very interesting.